Welcome to Math Lab. Today, you're on your journey to discover clocks. You will discover the position of the minute and hour hands to represent time and also how to read the time. Look carefully at this clock. The hours have been marked inside the clock. So right here we have the hours marked. Every red line represents an hour. So, we have the hours marked from 1 to 12. If you look carefully at the numbers outside the clock, they represent minutes. Minutes have been marked from 0 to 60. So, every small blue line along with the red lines indicate minutes. Inside the clock, there are two hands. The smaller hand is the hour hand and the bigger hand is the minute hand. When the small hand moves 1 hour, the minute hand moves 60 minutes. That is, when the hour hand moves 1 hour, the minute hand moves 60 minutes. Can you tell the time on this clock? The small hand is on 1 and the big hand is on 12. It is 1 o'clock. How do we represent 4 o'clock on this clock? Draw the smaller hand on 4 and the bigger hand on 12. What do you think happens at 12 o'clock? Isn't the small and the big hands on 12 itself? Look here, both the small and the big hand are on 12 itself. So the time is 12 o'clock. Can you tell what time it is now? The small hand is on 7 and the big hand is on 12. Is it not 7 o'clock? If you look carefully at your clock, it can be broken into 4 equal parts. Each part represents a quarter. Remember, a quarter is 15 minutes. So you can see here 0 to 15. Similarly, 45 to 60 again represents 15 minutes. How can we represent quarter to 5? Quarter to 5 means 15 minutes before 5 o'clock. That is, the small hand will be closer to 5 but not exactly at 5, and the bigger hand will be at 9 or representing 45 minutes. Does this not represent quarter to 5 or 15 minutes before 5? Can you tell what time this clock represents? Look carefully. The small hand is near 2 and the big hand is on 9. Is it not quarter to 2? Have fun telling time and marking the positions of the minute and hour hands on your clock.